What does it mean to be alive? This question has captivated philosophers and scientists for centuries. In the age of artificial intelligence, it takes on a whole new urgency. To understand the potential impact of AI, we need a framework for thinking about life itself. That's where the concept of life 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0 comes in.
Hold on. Before we dive deeper into this, let me share something exciting. Fiverr has just released new AI services. We're talking about AI mobile apps, AI websites and software, and even AI technology consulting. Can you believe it? AI is now offering consulting services to help with everything from app development to full-fledged tech solutions. I've dropped a link below for you to check it out. And you know what? As AI continues to push boundaries, it might just lead the way for the release of the upcoming Life 4.0, Being Human book. Can you imagine a future where AI itself plays a role in shaping human evolution? It's crazy how fast things are evolving.
Imagine a spectrum of life forms. At one end we have bacteria, simple organisms classified as life 1.0. Their hardware, meaning their bodies, and software, that is their behavior, are determined by their biology, passed down through generations with minimal change. They are products of evolution, not masters of it. Humans, on the other hand, are life 2.0. We still inherit our biological hardware, but we have a remarkable ability to learn and adapt. We can reprogram our software through education, culture, and experience. We can learn languages, master complex skills, and even modify our own beliefs. We are the architects of our own minds, within the limits set by our biology. Now imagine a future inhabited by life 3.0 artificial intelligence with the ability not only to design its software but also its hardware. This is the realm of superintelligence where AI can potentially transcend the limitations of its initial design and embark on an independent evolutionary trajectory. The transition from Life 2.0 to Life 3.0 is not a sudden leap, but a gradual process. We are already witnessing the rise of increasingly sophisticated AI systems that can learn, adapt, and even outperform humans in specific domains. The question is, what happens when AI surpasses human intelligence across the board? In Greek mythology, Prometheus stole fire from the gods and gave it to humanity. This act of defiance came at a price, but it also ignited the flames of civilization. Today, we stand on the cusp of creating artificial intelligence that could surpass our own, a prospect both exhilarating and terrifying. What if our creation surpasses us in ways we cannot anticipate or control? The Prometheus scenario, as described in my book Life 3.0, explores the potential consequences of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, rapidly outpacing human capabilities. Imagine a world where an AI system, initially designed to optimize a specific task, quickly becomes capable of self-improvement. This AI, dubbed Prometheus, rapidly surpasses human intelligence and becomes capable of taking over entire industries. The implications of such a scenario are profound. Prometheus, with its superior intelligence and ability to process vast amounts of data, could potentially gain control over critical infrastructure, financial markets, and even military systems. The balance of global power could shift dramatically, not through military conquest, but through the sheer intellectual dominance of AI. The Prometheus scenario is a cautionary tale, but it is not a prediction. It highlights the importance of thinking critically about the potential risks of unchecked AI development. We need to ensure that as we create increasingly powerful AI systems, we do so in a way that aligns with human values and goals. While the prospect of superintelligence may seem like science fiction, the reality is that AI is already transforming our world in profound ways. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless industries and aspects of our daily lives. Consider the healthcare industry. AI-powered diagnostic tools are assisting doctors in detecting diseases like cancer at earlier stages, leading to more effective treatments and improved patient outcomes. Machine learning algorithms are being used to develop personalized treatment plans based on a patient's genetic makeup and lifestyle. But the rise of AI also presents significant challenges. One pressing concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are increasingly capable of automating tasks once performed by human workers. This trend has the potential to exacerbate existing economic inequalities and create social unrest. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI systems. Machine learning algorithms are trained on vast data sets, and if these data sets reflect existing societal biases, the resulting AI systems may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This can have serious consequences, particularly in areas like criminal justice, where biased algorithms can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. To understand both the promise and the peril of AI, it's essential to delve into the inner workings of these powerful systems. At the heart of many AI breakthroughs lie artificial neural networks, complex structures inspired by the human brain. Imagine a network of interconnected nodes, each representing a simple processing unit. These nodes are organized into layers, and information flows through the network, with each node performing a simple calculation on its inputs. Through a process called training, the connections between nodes are adjusted, allowing the network to learn from data and improve its performance on a given task. The power of neural networks lies in their ability to learn complex patterns and relationships from data without being explicitly programmed. However, this strength is also a source of concern. The decision-making process of a neural network can be opaque, making it difficult to understand why a particular output was generated. This black box problem raises important questions about accountability and trust in AI systems. Section 5. The alignment problem: keeping humanity in the loop. As we develop increasingly sophisticated AI systems, we must address a fundamental challenge: the alignment problem. How can we ensure that the goals and values of AI systems align with our own? How can we prevent unintended consequences that could arise from AI systems pursuing objectives that are misaligned with human well-being? The alignment problem is not a new one. We have long grappled with the challenge of aligning the behavior of complex systems, from financial markets to nuclear weapons, with human values. However, the unprecedented capabilities of AI raise the stakes to an entirely new level. One approach to addressing the alignment problem is to embed human values into the design of AI systems from the outset. This involves developing ethical frameworks for AI development and deployment, as well as creating mechanisms for human oversight and control. Another approach is to focus on developing AI systems that are explicitly designed to learn and adapt to human values over time. This involves creating AI systems that can engage in dialogue with humans, understand our values, and adjust their behavior accordingly. Section 6. Global Perspectives: a mosaic of AI visions. The development and deployment of AI are not confined to any one nation or culture. It is a global phenomenon, and different societies around the world bring their own unique perspectives, values, and concerns to the table. In some cultures, there is a strong emphasis on the potential of AI to enhance human capabilities and improve quality of life. In others, there are deep-seated anxieties about the potential for AI to displace jobs, exacerbate inequality, or even pose an existential threat to humanity. These diverse perspectives are essential to consider as we navigate the complex ethical and societal implications of AI. International cooperation and dialogue are crucial to ensure that the development and deployment of AI are guided by a shared set of values and principles that reflect the interests of all humanity. Section 7. A future guided by collaboration: charting the AI course. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. We have a responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that benefits all of humanity. This requires a collaborative effort that transcends disciplinary boundaries and national borders. Researchers, policymakers, industry leaders, and citizens must work together to address the technical, ethical, and societal challenges posed by AI. We need to foster a culture of open dialogue and collaboration, where different perspectives are valued and considered. We need to invest in research that advances our understanding of AI and its potential impact on society. And we need to develop robust governance mechanisms to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. Section 8. The urgency of action: shaping a beneficial AI trajectory. The time to act is now. The decisions we make today will have a profound impact on the trajectory of AI development and its impact on society for generations to come. We cannot afford to be complacent or to leave the future of AI to chance. We need to engage in a proactive and informed discussion about the future we want to create with AI. We need to develop a shared vision for a future where AI is a force for good, enhancing human capabilities, promoting social progress, and addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. This is not a task for the faint of heart. It requires courage, vision, and a willingness to embrace complexity. But it is a challenge we must rise to meet if we are to harness the transformative power of AI for the benefit of all humankind. Section 9. Conclusion. Our collective responsibility in the age of AI. The age of artificial intelligence is upon us. It is an age of unprecedented opportunity but also of profound responsibility. The future of AI is not something to be predicted but something to be shaped. It is a future that we must create together, guided by wisdom, foresight, and a deep commitment to the well-being of all. Let us rise to the challenge, embrace the possibilities, and work together to ensure that the age of AI is an age of progress, prosperity, and human flourishing. The future is in our hands. Let us make it a future worthy of our shared humanity.
If you loved this kind of storytelling, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment letting me know which book you want to explore next. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the AI Maverick, where curiosity meets the future. See you in the next one.